Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the latest vacancies in finance domain for this week. So let's start the video. Friends, first vacancy is from Pawan Hans Limited. Name of post is Assistant Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is either CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 4 vacancies. Place of posting is in Delhi and Mumbai. Nature of employment is permanent. You need to have 1 year of experience. Here package will be 9.89 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th May 2024. So if you have not applied for this post yet, then do fill up the application form. Friends, before we move on to the next vacancy, I would like to inform you at Finance MCQ we are offering various courses covering the entire technical syllabus of the examination, and we are keep on adding new courses for preparation as you can see on your screen. So visit Finance MCQ website, take a demo of your course and start your preparation. And in case you wish to prepare for non-technical syllabus, especially the reasoning topic, then visit PSU exam prep website. There we are offering video lecture course for reasoning topic for your PSU exam preparation. Website link and coupon code is mentioned in the description. You can check them in detail. I wish you all the best for your examination. And next vacancy is again from Pawan Hans Limited. Name of post is Joint General Manager Finance and Accounts. Qualification asked is CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 50 years. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting will be in Delhi and in Mumbai. Nature of employment is permanent, but here you need to have 12 years of experience. Package will be 21.73 lakhs per annum. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th May 2024. Friends, next vacancy is from Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited. Name of post is Officer Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA, PGDM or MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit is 30 years. There are 3 vacancies. Place of posting is in Northern India. Friends, these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience and your package will be 7 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 20th May 2024. And next vacancy is again from Hindustan Urvarak and Rasayan Limited. Name of post is Manager Finance and Chief Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is CA, CMA, PGDM, MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Upper age limit for manager is 40 years and for chief manager is 47 years. There are 2 vacancies for each post. Place of posting is in Northern India. Again, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 12 years of experience for manager and 19 years experience for chief manager. Package will be 16 lakhs for manager and 24 lakhs for chief manager. Mode of application is online and last date is 20th May 2024. And next vacancy is from Central Medical Service Society. Name of post is Assistant General Manager Finance. Here the qualification asked is either a CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Upper age limit is 45 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 6 years of experience, out of which 4 years in finance and accounts of central government, state, PSU or autonomous body. Here you will be paid 1 lakh per month. Mode of application is offline and last date is 20th May 2024. And next vacancy is again from Central Medical Services Society. Name of post is Manager Finance. Qualification asked is either a BCom, MBA Finance, CA Inter or CMA Inter. Upper age limit is 40 years. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, again it's a contractual job. You need to have 2 years of experience in finance and accounts of central government, state government, PSU or autonomous body. Here you will be paid 50,000 per month. Mode of application is offline and last date is 20th May 2024. And next vacancy is from Tejpur University. Name of post is Assistant. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 35 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Assam. Friends, it's a permanent vacancy. You need to have 3 years of experience as upper division clerk. Package will be 7.3 lakhs. Mode of application is online and last date is 15th May. And your hard copy should reach their office by 25th May 2024. The next vacancy is again from Tejpur University. Here the name of post is Junior Accountant. Qualification asked is graduation and typing speed of 35 words per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi. Upper age limit is 32 years. There are 2 vacancies. Place of posting is in Assam. And these are permanent vacancies. You need to have 2 years of experience as LDC. Package will be 5.5 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date remains same as that of last vacancy. And next vacancy is again from Tejpur University. Here the only change is name of post is upper divisional clerk. Qualification asked is same as that of last vacancy. Age limit is also same. Number of vacancies is 1. Place of posting will be in Assam only. It's a permanent vacancies. Here you need to have 2 years of experience as LDC. Package will be 5.5 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last vacancy. The next vacancy is from again Tejpur University. Name of post is LDC. Qualification is same as that of last vacancies, that is typing speed required is 35 word per minute in English or 30 words per minute in Hindi along with a graduation degree. Age limit is 32 years. There are 6 vacancy. Place of posting is in Assam. Here nature of employment is permanent. No prior experience asked. Package will be 4.1 lakh. Mode of application and last date is same as that of last 2 vacancies. And next vacancy is from National Institute of Public Finance and Policy, Accounts Executive. Qualification asked is BCom. Upper age limit is 40 years. There are 2 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. And it's a contractual job. You need to have 5 years of experience. Package will be 9.2 lakh. Mode of application is online and last date is 2nd June 2024. And next vacancy is again from National Institute of Public Finance and Policy. Name of post is clerk. Qualification asked is graduation. Upper age limit is 32 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in New Delhi. Friends, it's a contractual job. You need to have 1 year of experience. Package will be 5.5 lakh. Mode of application and last date is 2nd June 2024. And next vacancy is from Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. Name of post is finance assistant. Qualification asked is either a CA inter or equivalent. Upper age limit is 40 years. There is 1 vacancy. Place of posting is in Mumbai. And nature of employment is contractual. You need to have 2 years of experience. Per month salary will be 35,000. Mode of application is online and last date is 16th May 2024. So that's all for this week, friend. I hope you find this vacancy useful. Do share with your friends and family whom you think that these vacancies might be useful. And I will see you all in the next week with the latest updates. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end.